Unusual adoptions, heartwarming tales. Which animal did a tiger adopt? Piglets. A lioness adopted a cub of which species? Antelope. Which bird famously raised a duckling? Cuckoo. What species adopted a baby squirrel? Cats. Dolphins have been known to help which sea creature? Whales. Which animal once adopted an abandoned leopard cub? Monkey. What animal adopted a group of orphaned baby pandas? Dog. A greyhound adopted a brood of which animals? Owlets. What unusual pairing saw a goat mother an animal? Rhino. Subscribe for more amazing animal stories.